Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the home screen and wallpaper. Now let's simply tap on this wallpaper section and of course give all the permissions. And as you can see, here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. Right here we've got our own gallery, so of course you can always set your photo as a wallpaper. And here we can tap on more wallpapers and we will be transferred to the themes. It's up to you which option you want to use. However, I'll pick something from those options. As you can see, we've got the wallpaper which we've got currently applied marked, so it's nice. And basically all you have to do in order to change it is to tap on the wallpaper. Right now you can check the preview of the wallpaper. You can change the position of it also, because as you can see it's quite I would say long and big wallpaper, so you can change the position of it. You can make it scrollable or not, it's up to you. You can also blur it just by tapping on this drop icon, and with the usage of the switcher you can change the level of this option. Alright, basically if you are ready and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon. And right now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Alright, we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.